Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're looking at what I call the best birthday greeting cards. The American Greetings 15-count all-occasion greeting card bundle with envelopes and seals for cat lover or owner. This greeting card bundle includes 15 cards, each paired with a matching envelope and a sealing sticker, neatly packaged in a protective cardboard box for easy storage. The selection is designed especially for cat lovers. Inside you'll find cards suited to a variety of occasions. From birthday wishes for cat owners or for a cat's birthday, to cat mom or cat dad appreciation, and even sympathy cards for the loss of a pet. Each card measures 4.625 by 6.75 inches, making them a versatile size suitable for mailing or hand delivery without being too bulky. The designs feature charming cat-themed imagery, and some include eye-catching foil accents that add a touch of elegance. Perfect for giving a card that feels more special than a plain store-bought one. If you're someone who loves cats, or you know a cat-loving friend or family member, this bundle makes it easy to have greeting cards on hand for multiple types of celebrations, birthdays, pet owner anniversaries, or heartfelt sympathy when needed. The included envelopes and seals mean you don't have to hunt for stationery separately, since everything you need is already in the box. So whether you're celebrating a birthday, showing appreciation to a fellow cat parent, or sending condolences for a beloved pet, this card set has you covered. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a review that helps you buy smarter.